gray Thursday afternoon.
Oh, you know what's funny? I went to the art gallery on the weekend and I saw a better color.
Oh shit. What color you saw?
Teal blue. I have to show you it. It's like a dark teal blue.
And if you put
It's
the
like
blue
this.
here, where are you going to put over here?
It's like this.
We're going to put
The same
over here.
gray.
The same gray?
But it was gonna be like a little bit darker than this.
Okay, let me resurrect it and see what's going on. We can still buy it. Everybody can put it down and keep the gray.
Hey guys, so right now downstairs I have my cousin helping out my dad. We're doing recessed in-wall lighting. My dad started to paint the ceiling already, painting it white. Still kind of deciding on a color for the accent wall. I'm gonna show you guys what I have right now. So this was actually the picture that I found that gave me my idea for the basement. So I have two colors in mind. I actually got the dark gray already. I bought that from Home Depot, but then I'm thinking of like this dark teal as well. So that's the dark gray that I was thinking. Well, that's the dark gray that I was originally gonna do, and I already have the paint. And then this is the blue that I was thinking of doing, the teal blue. So it more so looks like this. I actually got this idea from an art gallery that I went to. So they had that really nice teal blue as like an accent wall in one of the rooms, and I just like fell in love with it. And I figured like, why not put some color in the basement? I mean, that would be nice. I kind of want to get this color now. So I'm contemplating right now. I'm going to show you guys what downstairs look like. It hasn't really changed since like my before and after pictures. These just painted the baseboard and the ceiling.
You want to take before and after pictures?
Yeah, I already did. I'm documenting the whole process.
Documenting?
Yeah, it worked. Thank you.
Just so you know, in the document, it said I'm working too. I'm a working girl. I'm going to be digging a hole just now.
Yeah, she's working.
Digging a hole.
She's working.
Yeah. Struggle far.
Say hi.
Be on it as soon as you
Hey, go in the house, it's outside.
Oh, okay.
Every? Ask him, tell him that I can don't pay jump and she can't for free, you know. Oh.
He's trying to die. He's trying to die. Hi.
What's going with this camera thing? Shaping up in anyway, so.
This is what it's looking like right now. We're basically doing recessed shelving with a pot light that's gonna go right up in here. There are 3 that are gonna be on this wall. And this light, this is what we used to have on that side, so this is gonna be coming down. We're mounting the 60-inch up on this wall. So yeah, the wall behind me is what I wanted to do for an accent wall. I was supposed to do it dark gray, but now I think I'm going to do it dark teal. We're also putting 6 more pot lights in here. It's going to be my first little project besides my room that I am decoring. Say hi.
Hello, hello.
Got the pot lights.
Did you have
Gonna help my dad paint today. Are you helping? Are you helping?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, liar. Oh yeah, let's finish up most of the paint today. And I'm not sick, just so this is the basement as of right now. I have my mouth guard in, so I might be talking funny. But we put pot lights in the ceiling. We did some patchwork, so we're just gonna have to do another coat of paint. This is the recessed shelf. I'm thinking of painting a pattern in there, haven't decided yet. This is the accent wall. It's a bit more teal than what it looks like on camera. We have to do about 2 more coats on this just to make it really pop. All this stuff obviously is gonna be gone. We're getting rid of a lot of these. Look at the amount of VHSs that I have. These are all like my favorite kid movies. Some of these gotta go. And then my parents, the amount of bootleg DVDs they have, and look at all the cassettes at the top. And plus there's 3 more shelves over there. So we have to go through all of these. I'm trying to get it down to 2 shelves, and then we're gonna put the VHS in storage. This is my dad's speaker system. That's not going anywhere. I got my parents to go through our DVDs. This is not even anything close to our DVDs. These two are filled with DVDs and VHS. So this is what's getting thrown out. This is what we're gonna keep on display. I bought the mount for the TV today. So we're gonna mount the TV sometime this week. Something else that we did, we painted in here gray. So I'm gonna do a design on the back wall. I did chevron in my room, so I'm gonna try to do something different here. And then in these boxes also has light. So it's coming along. Hopefully by the weekend, the TV will be mounted and we will be able to get furniture. I'm waiting for my pattern to dry. We'll put some of our pictures back up. I messed up a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with like a thin brush and fix it, but this is what this is what the designs look like. So I did it going up on that side and then going down on that side. Yeah. So the TV's mounted. Hi, Mom. You have to get a container for all that. The furniture is coming tomorrow. Right now, it is pretty clear down here. This is what it's looking like right now. A bunch of junk in the corner there. So I cleaned up the design. That's what it looks like in the shelf. These are the legs to the table that hopefully is gonna fit in between the couches. The basement looks huge like this. Holy, yeah. Can't wait. Furniture is coming tomorrow. This is a lot bigger than I thought. So the basement is pretty much complete. I will be showing the final product in my basement tour, which will be coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments how many times I changed my hair in this vlog. Like, really. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see every single time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.